Hey guys, this is Kawasaki Repair working on 2015 KX85. This is going to be a quick video on how to change brake pads. Real simple on these. The brake pads are pretty basic. All right, they just look like this here. So to get them out, you have two pins. All right, and they're both 5mm Allen keys. So you just want to take the Allen keys out of there. Before you take everything out, got them loosened up, take a screwdriver, stick it between the old pads, and just twist the screwdriver. And our goal here is to push the pistons in. You see the pistons in there? Watch what happens. Alright, just going to work them in. You got to fit the new ones in. We're doing this with the old pads so that we don't damage anything. Alright, new pads pushed all the way in. You see that gap in there now? No problem. Going to get these pins out enough. See that corrosion on there? Make sure you clean all that up. Put a little bit of grease on those shafts right there. With the pins out, these pull right out. Okay. Let me get these cleaned up. Stand by. All right, pins are cleaned up. I'm using some super lube and just a really thin coat. You just want to stop them from corroding. Help the pads slide a little bit if they need to. Just going to set them in there. New pads are both the same, right and left. So with the pins in, there's a spring inside of there. And with that spring, you need to put the pad in, push up against the spring, and then push it over to the pin. So here's this one here. So what you can do is just push it up. You can see it pushing the spring right there. Push it up. Send the pin through. One. The other. All right. So both of the pins are in. Take your second pad. Do the same thing. I'm going to push it up. Brand new pads ready to go. That's all there is to it. Really simple. This goes for a lot of the KX85, KX125s, all of them that have the same Nissan caliper on it. It's real simple. Make sure you clean everything up in there. Put the new pads in. When you put the back wheel back on, make sure you pump the brake up before you go anywhere so it makes contact. Now, if you don't have the wheel off like I do, you can do it from the outside with the wheel on. You just take off these two Allens right here, that one, and the whole caliper will just pull off, and you can just pull it out and do the same thing that I did outside the bike and just slide it back on. That's all there is to it, guys. Hope you like this video and helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Kawasaki Repair.